Tell them what you're gonna do, bro.
Okay. So I went from upgrade from my old laptop. So this HP Pavilion. This is my first one. This is my Sweetie Pie, and it's kind of a little bit slow at that time, and also piece rebuild and a little bit of setup rebuild on there, but that's fine.
What did you buy?
It's OMEN. You know OMEN from Valorant, bro?
Yeah, man.
Watch
Yeah.
them run. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know.
No, wait. You forgot to show them the other one.
Oh
too.
yeah. I forgot about the thing, bro. This is my monitor under. How do you pronounce that?
Acer? It's an Acer?
Is
SA0
Is it
series?
Acer?
Yeah, it's Acer.
I hate Acer.
It says here.
I didn't know it was Acer, bro.
Well, you just said yes. As long as it's
Is it Oh, Acer is the ones that I hate.
Oh.
Yeah, this is good. This is good. Yeah, I keep confusing them. All right.
Okay.
So
Okay.
unboxing, right?
Yeah, unboxing. Take this off. Take that off.
Yeah, don't show off, bro. You're more excited than me, bro. Alright. Go. Bam! What? Okay, so what is that? Bro, they scammed me, bro.
Would they scan you?
I don't know. No, I know everything's there. It's just I don't know how to like.
There. Woo.
My room is so
Sheesh.
messy, bro. Alright.
Sheesh.
How do I lift it? Like
Huh?
carefully though. Like,
No,
is
take
there-
this out. Take this out. This
Okay.
thing out, and then the other one.
Okay. There's something on there.
Free. It comes with a free keyboard.
Really?
Yeah, and then
I didn't know that, bro.
And
It's
then
not on the description, bro.
No, and then it comes with a free mouse. That's where your power supply.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I see.
Then you can just carry it to the plastic.
It's not gonna rip, right?
No, it's not. It's a strong plastic. Wait.
Hold the box, bro. Hold
Okay.
the box, bro. Oh,
There we go.
there we go.
Ooh, damn.
Bro, it's heavy, bro.
Damn, bro. Of course, man. The power supply makes it heavy.
Oh, really? Alright, just remove the thing.
You're not gonna take the plastic off?
No, it's gonna be like that, bro.
Okay.
No.
Okay,
just
it's yours,
kidding. How
it's
do I
yours.
remove the plastic? Like, alright.
There we go.
Careful. Alright.
Look at
this. Look at this. Bro, like.
Go, come on. This one.
Wait. Hold up.
The other one.
Let's see. Let's show what's on the inside, though. A little bit. Like the thing, bro.
Oh, you want to show the
The performance, bro. The
Oh,
pecs, bro.
Okay.
Flex the things, bro.
Okay, tell them the
It's not
stuff.
bright enough.
Tell them the stuff that's in there.
So we got like the 2 chips, bro. I don't know those things. What they call them? What they call them?
They're called RAM.
Oh yeah, I know that. No, I know that. And we got those Fatterbird.
Huh?
Fatterbird.
It's not a fatherboard. It's a motherboard.
Yeah, I know that is a Fatterbird, bro. No, I'm just kidding. Internet connections.
No. That's the power supply.
Yeah, I know that.
What's the brand of your power supply, bro?
It's came from
Cool Master.
Cool. Yeah, cool man.
And then tell
Yo,
them
bro.
what kind of cord do you have?
Like Earth Core. Yes.
Nah, he has i7, 11th gen.
I don't know.
And then tell them about your graphics card.
Graphics card is
It's a GTX.
GTX, yeah.
GTX.
3D printed FX.
Okay.
Yo,
Well,
yo.
that's enough.
Bro, yo.
I'm having a headache.
I know too much, bro. I know too much.
Okay.
Wait.
Yeah, you do know too much.
Next, the monitor.
That's an inside joke, bro, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just gonna move this thing here.
Wow, ganda no? Ganda tignan no? Look at
Yeah,
that.
it's
Oh, sorry, I was
so-
talking Tagalog. That, it looks so good.
Bro, it looks so clean, bro.
Right?
Yeah, it looks so clean. Wait.
Okay, next.
Wait. I'll take the edge.
Where-
Alright, next. Bro, the hype, bro, the hype. It's just cardboard, bro. They scam me again. No, just kidding.
I'll hold it. There you go.
Oh, it's just okay.
Sheesh! Wow, that's... What the heck? What was that?
It's the disc, bro.
That was the stand of...
The thing.
Yeah.
So you help me assemble this thing, bro.
Okay.
Wait, hold up. I get my stand somewhere.
Do you think that's okay? I think you have to tilt it down more. I think you should put it here.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
Alright, help me set it up, bro.
A few moments later.
Wait, what's up, bro? You're pressuring me. Oh shit, I messed up.
You need to know. You need to make it full. I think it's 5 digit.
No, it's just fall.
Full.
Oh, four.
Alright, four.
Reverse, that's why. There we go.
Okay. You can remember that, right?
I messed it up. Alright, I hope you enjoyed watching that video, and big thanks for Kazo, sorry, to helping me pick this setup, and also supporting me with this video. Subscribe to his channel too on Kazo. Yeah. And I hope I'm able to make good quality videos now. And as always, thanks for watching. Peace.